This really don't have anything to do with the Bronco, but we did get the injectors in. Don't have them tightened down yet, but they're in the block, so. Hi, welcome back. Gonna get back to the Bronco today. Gonna remove some more rust on the floor pan and try to paint it. Have a little bit of that rust reformer left. Need to get some more, but off camera, I'm gonna put the injectors together and get the holes plugged up on this side of the block on this truck. Gonna do that here in a minute. Won't film it because same thing I did on the other side. So, but yeah, we're gonna try to get over to the driver's side top of the pan, get all that ground down and painted, and call it a day, because I mowed most of my land today, which is about 5 acres or so. So I'm tired, and then tomorrow we got to put up 8 privacy fence posts in our business over there, or privacy fence panels. So be a long day. So I'm gonna try to knock a little bit out, go and get some rest, and get ready for tomorrow. So let's head over there and get to work. All right, got that a little bit done there. Not much, but it's hot out here and I'm getting cramps in my stomach, so I think it's about time for me to go in. But doesn't look too bad. This really don't have anything to do with the Bronco, but we did get the injectors in. Don't have them tightened down yet, but they're in the block, so not sure if we're gonna work on this next time with the Bronco, but we'll work on something. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of short video, just messing with the Bronco's dry side floor pan. Like I said, started getting cramps like in my upper stomach. Guess I'm pretty out of shape. So I had to call it kind of early, and 2, I ran out of paint. I didn't have very much left after I painted that little section. But moving across that side, and when you get both tubs on the Bronco and inside the bed, and you get that ground down painted in the tailgate. So I need to buy a lot more of the rust reformer for that, and I'll keep us busy on the Bronco for a while, just kind of getting it rust taken out and old paint off and spray with that rust reformer. Truck, got the injectors in, need to tighten them down. I need to see how many foot-pounds of torque they need. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll get all, if it needs torque down, and all the hard lines hooked back up, and all the rubber hoses hooked back up. We need to get some more clamps. I did break some of those, or maybe when they're not usable, because I just got angry trying to rip them off. Now button up the engine, at least what we did. Like I said, starter that we have here will not work. The way it bolts up has to be both. It's hard to explain. That one kind of bolts on to the side. This one needs to bolt up, if that makes sense. But good thing is they're about $114. I can get one at O'Reilly's right now for $218, but I don't want to do that when I order one for about $100 less. So, and 2, I keep thinking that engine and transmission might have one on it, but I'm really wanting to hear this turn over and maybe start for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one of those starters. Hopefully get that here pretty quick. Like I said, I need to get an oil change for it, listen to it run, make sure there's nothing too terribly wrong with the engine. It's all good. Pull it out. Don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe it's gotta be like a weekend thing where we pull the engine out in the morning, weld up everything we need to, get everything tightened up down there, try to do the steering, and then put the engine in hopefully that evening. Or I may be able to, like I said, push the truck back a little bit, not that much room. And we may be able to put the cherry picker kind of sideways by the door if we have to. It's another option. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually a little bit more longer videos than this, but like I said, it's hot. I'm ready for the fall and winter. And I didn't drink very much water today, so I'm cramping up really easy. So we'll either continue going across the Bronco, getting all that kind of knocked down and painted, or jump back on this and mess with the engine some more. But if you like this kind of stuff, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Best thing you do for your channel is please like, comment, and subscribe. That really does help a lot. Getting close to 370, which is awesome. Was about 32 right now away from 400. Just want to say thank you. I never thought the channel would be this big. Thank you to my new subscribers and all the people that stuck with me from the beginning. It does mean a lot that you're continuing to come back and watch me struggle. But like I said, we'll get this truck going and on the road soon. Regardless if I have to put a different engine in it, we'll get it out and enjoy it. And then probably take it to car shows next year. I don't plan on hitting it this year. And then the Bronco, we'll bring it back out and really hit it hard once we get this out, and hopefully get that more near completion next year. But anyways, thank you for watching. Like I said, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And I'll see you next time.